Hi guys, I'm Carl.
And I am Kim.
So today we will show you an aircraft gravity feed fuel system diagram. So first, what is an aircraft gravity feed fuel system? So aircraft gravity feed fuel system is a fuel system that uses the gravity as the force to supply fuel into other components of the aircraft such as the engine, carburetor, and etc. So an aircraft fuel system consists of components such as fuel tanks, selector valves, fuel filters, primer, and carburetor. So first up, we planned about on how we will make the aircraft gravity feed fuel system. We planned about the materials, the structure, and on how we will use the gravity as the force to supply the other components in the aircraft. So next, after finalizing the materials, we now assembled firstly the aircraft's structure, aircraft wings structure. And afterwards, we now assembled each components of the aircraft gravity feed fuel system. So we use beta tank as our fuel tanks. We use this selector valve as three-way selector valve, and this fuel filter, and next is the carburetor, and syringe as primer. Hi, I'm Carl.
And I am Tim.
So in this part of the video, we will discuss about the functionality of each components of an aircraft gravity feed fuel system.
First, the fuel tank. Fuel tank stores fuel for the aircraft.
Next is the selector valve. So the selector valve regulates the flow of the fuel coming from the fuel tanks into other components of the aircraft gravity feed fuel system.
And next is the fuel filter. Fuel filter filters the fuel from the selector valve to carburetor.
So it just ensures that the fuel coming from the fuel tanks is clean, that it will be distributed into other components. Next is the carburetor. So in the carburetor, it is the place where the fuel and air mixes.
And lastly, the primer. Is manually pumped to start up the aircraft.
So basically, ito yung nagsusupply ng fuel para sa engine para mag-start siya sa simula. Go.
Go with the body. Check anybody. Sige, alagin mo ako. So fuck, where the fuck is my ring?